Hello world! Welcome to the Wealth Wave channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give our content a like. Today we delve into an intriguing topic, expanding your financial mind. Intrigued? Stick around to learn how to expand your financial mind. It's time to explore the vast expanse of your financial mind and see how far it can take you. Picture yourself as a wallet. If your capacity is small and your wealth large, you might lose it because you're not prepared. Your mind, much like a wallet, needs to be stretched, trained, and prepared for greater things. Think bigger, and your wealth container grows larger, better equipped to handle the riches you aspire to acquire. This is why we hear stories of sports stars, artists, actors who skyrocket to wealth and fame only to plummet into bankruptcy in a few years. They have the wealth but lack the context, the education, the preparation to manage it. If you want to accumulate wealth, there's no way around it. You must expand your mind, even if it isn't an easy task. Expanding your mind can change the way you view the world. It might even require you to overwrite some of the things you've previously learned, to re-educate yourself. You might even need to unlearn some of the things you were taught as a child. Remember, your financial well-being is a reflection of your beliefs, your education, your habits. To go beyond your current state, you must change your perspective, and you change your financial future. Now that you understand the importance of expanding your financial mind, let's explore how to do it. Envision yourself as a wallet. If you're a small wallet holding vast wealth, you're bound to lose it as you're not prepared to manage it. This is where mental training comes in. Prepare yourself for bigger opportunities and expand your wealth container. The bigger your thoughts, the larger your wealth container becomes, and the more prepared you are to handle it. Self-perception is key. How you see yourself will shape your reality. Never stop learning, upgrading your skills, and monetizing your knowledge. Fear not to step out of your comfort zone. This very act will not only expand your mind, but also your wealth container. Remember, your financial well-being is a reflection of your beliefs, education, and habits. To reach beyond, you must change your worldview. Remember, the size of your wealth container depends on you. Expand your mind, expand your wealth. Well, we've come a long way in a short time, haven't we? We've learned the importance of expanding our financial mindset and preparing ourselves for wealth. Remember, your financial well-being is a reflection of your beliefs, education, and habits. If you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate the notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, keep expanding your mind and your wealth.